Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find apps. They should be above the additional settings. Here we have to tap on manage apps, so on the second position, and now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter reset up preferences, and here your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps. And what's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so you can freely tap on reset apps. And actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.